Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study better and faster step by step. Start by organizing a quiet space, set clear goals, and use a 25-minute timer for focused work. Then take a 5-minute break and repeat cycles and track progress. Use active recall and spaced repetition to boost memory, explain concepts aloud, and review material weekly for long-term retention. Keep sessions short and adjust techniques to your learning style. Block out study time in your calendar and rank tasks by importance, starting with the hardest topics when you have peak energy. Create a weekly plan that includes review sessions, practice problems, and deadlines to prevent cramming. Use a single to-do list to avoid decision fatigue and update it daily. Celebrate small wins to maintain momentum and revise plans based on what actually improved retention. Keep electronics in another room during focus blocks to minimize interruptions. Use active learning methods like practice testing, teaching aloud, and solving real problems to deepen understanding. Alternate subjects to use interleaving and apply spaced repetition for long-term recall. Take handwritten notes, summarize concepts in your own words, and use diagrams for complex ideas. Limit passive review like rereading and prefer retrieval practice. Regularly self-assess with timed quizzes to simulate exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.